Good day, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. I am Asrahaya Andwinor from Math 133 Section A. So now I will be discussing to you is about the measures of location, which is under the lesson 1 week 1. But before that, let us know first what is the importance of statistics in our daily life. Mathematics actually contributes a lot to society more than it's been credited for. This statistic is more important because it is the study that deals with the collection and analysis of data. It is mostly used to keep records, calculate probabilities, and provide knowledge. Basically, it helps us understand the world a little bit better through numbers and other quantitatives and information. Thus, this application of statistics is evident in our everyday activities. So those are the importance of these statistics in our daily life. So now let's proceed to our topic, which is the measures of locations. So now let's proceed to our topic, which is the measures of location. So measure of location are designed to provide the analyst with some quantitative values of where the center or some other location of data is located. So in this measure of location, we have the two measures, which is the sample median and the sample mean. So first is the sample mean. So this sample mean is the very useful measure. And this mean is simply a numerical average. So we have here the formula in getting the sample mean. So we have ito siya. This is the formula in getting the sample mean. So let's proceed to the sample median. This sample median is to reflect the central tendency of the sample in such as way that it is uninfluenced by extreme values outliers. So we have also here the formula in getting the sample median. So if yung n natin is odd number, so ito yung kailangan nating gamitin sa pagkuha ng sample median. And if the n is even, so ito naman yung kailangan nating formula in getting the sample median. Okay, so mayroon tayo ditong example number 1. Suppose the data set is the following. So we have here the data set 1.7, 2.2, 3.9, 3.11, and then 14.7. So, kukunin natin yung sample mean nito. So, katulad nung sinabi ko kanina, na ito yung gagamitin nating formula and getting the sample mean. So, pag kukunin natin yung sample mean, first is we need to add this data set. Yung data set is i-add natin sila lahat. So itong 5, di ba? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sila, so i-add natin lahat and then i-divide naman natin kung ilan yung i-add natin, kung ilan sila. So di ba 5? So i-add natin. So pag i-add natin ito, it is equals to 25.61 and then divide n, which is the 5. So it is equals to 5.12. 25.61 divide 5 is equals to 5.12. So, yan yung sample mean niya. So, next is, kukunin naman natin is the sample median. So, since our N is odd number, so madali lang siyang makuha kasi odd number siya. So, sa sample median kasi is yung nasa gitna, kung ano yung nasa gitna is yun yung sample median. So, ang pangatlo or x sub 3 is the 3.9. So, yan yung sample median niya kasi yan yung nasa gitna. Kasi 5 yung n natin. So, madali lang siyang makuha. At saka ito lang yung formula na kailangan nating gamitin. So, next, that's all for the example number 1. So, now, let's proceed to our example number 2. So, dito naman sa example number 2 ay gumawa siya ng table. So, or data set. So, ito yung this column is yung no nitrogen at itong dito naman na side is yung nitrogen. So, in getting the sample main, katulad din ng ginawa natin sa example number 1, so ito muna yung uunahin natin, itong no nitrogen. So, di ba, i-add lang natin lahat ito and then ilan yung ilang number yung in-add natin o ilang set yung gi-add natin. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, ang n natin dito or i-divide natin dito after natin ma-add is 10. So, pag i-add natin itong lahat, so ito siya, i-add lang natin sila 0.32 plus 0.53. So, i-add natin and then yung equal, i-divide naman natin sa 10 which is ilan ito? So, divide 10. So, it is equals to 0.399. So, ito yung sample main dito sa no nitrogen. So, dito naman sa with nitrogen o sa nitrogen is ganun din sa process na ginawa natin dito sa no nitrogen. So, i-add lang natin silang lahat and then divide 10 kasi 10 din yung ano nila, n. So, it is equals to 0.565. So, yan yung sample main dito sa no nitrogen at saka sa nitrogen. So, nakuha na natin yung sample main dito. So, now is kukunin naman natin is yung sample median nila. So, di ba, since yung n natin is equals to 10, which is even number yung n natin, so, gagamitin natin na formula is yung ito. Yung formula dito, kasi even number yung n natin. Okay, so, i-arrange muna natin sila and then kukunin natin kung saan yung nasa gitna. Tapos, i-add natin, then divide 2. So, yung nasa gitna, pag in-arrange natin itong no nitrogen, yung nasa gitna is 0.38 at saka yung 0.42. So, dalawa kasi even number yung n natin. After that, i-add natin sila, then divide 2. So, makukuha na natin yung sample median, which is, yung sample median dito sa no nitrogen is equals to 0.400. Then, dito naman sa with nitrogen o nitrogen, so, ganun din sa process, dito sa pagkuha natin sa no nitrogen, pareho lang sila. So, even number yung n natin. So, i-divide, kukunin muna natin kung saan yung nasa gitna dito, i-arrange muna natin. And then, kukunin natin kung saan yung nasa gitna, yung dalawang sa gitna. And then, after that, i-add natin sila and then divide 2. Then, after that, makukuha na natin yung sample median. So, dito is ang sample median niya is 0.505. So, yun lang. So, that's all for my report. And before I end up this discussion, let me say about the importance or the essence of these statistics in our daily lives. So this statistic, like what I said earlier, that this is we mostly use to keep records, to calculate probabilities, and to provide knowledge. So, example nito is pag 'di ba pag mag-calculate tayo ng grades, pag yung GPA natin, kailangan natin kunin yung GPA. So, magagamit natin yung statistic to solve or to get our GPA. So, another example niyan is yung pag may tests tayo. So, 'di ba magsa-survey tayo? So, magagamit din natin yung statistics kasi kukunin natin yung weighted mean after natin mag-survey. So, kailangan natin kunin yung weighted mean or yung average nung gisurvey natin. So, and marami pang iba na magagawa natin or magagamit natin yung statistics sa ating daily lives. And that's all for my report. Hope you understand and thank you for listening. Thank you.